Good.
Quel plaisir d'être ici. What a pleasure it is for us to be here. Great to be back in BC. So,
listen, well, can I say it that I want to live here one day? I just want to tell you that every time I think about our journey, it goes so above beyond the politics because it's a human journey. And this is the story of hardworking families like all of you. And we hold you in our hearts every day in what we do, and I need you to know this because we think of you in every action that we take because we want to make this country better, and the only way we can do that is when people unite and when the best of human beings come together. So thank you, and we love you all. Mwah.
Thank you, Sophie, for being by my side, for being part of this, for being a huge inspiration to me that both keeps me grounded and keeps me dreaming with all of us of the better world we're going to build together. I want to start by thanking Carla as well, but before I even thank Carla, is there anybody here from the Delta riding? Give us a shout. Thank you to all of you because of all your hard work and you're getting out there, knocking on doors, fundraising, making phone calls. Carla has reached her targets and she is now the official candidate for the Liberal Party of Canada in Delta in 2019. And I gotta say, we've got a great team here of MPs, 18 of them across the province, and I want every single one of them to be our candidate in the next election. And I'm counting on all of you to get out, go knock doors, talk to your neighbors, build those connections with people that let us not just earn another mandate, but continue to do the things that matter for Canadians. That's what this is all about. Join us. How about a big round of applause for all of our Indigenous drummers here to say thank you, to welcome us up in their territories. I have to say, there are folks out there who think that this government hasn't delivered enough for people, that we're more focused on selfies than we are on substance. Well, try and tell that to the hundreds of thousands of kids who are lifted out of poverty because of the Canada Child Benefit. Tell that to the thousands of seniors who receive $1,000 more every month because we've increased the guaranteed income supplement by 10% for our most vulnerable seniors. Tell that to the veterans across this country who serve with such distinction, who now have better access to services because we reopened the centres that the Conservatives closed. Tell that to young people who now don't have to start paying back their student debts until they're making $25,000 a year with more upfront grants, more jobs, more help for our young people. Tell that to people who understand that we as a country need to hit our Paris targets. We need to show that leadership on the environment and growing the economy goes together. That's what British Columbians understand. That's what Canadians understand. Mes amis, nous ne pouvons le faire que si nous travaillons ensemble. Nous avons énormément de travail à faire. We have an awful lot of hard work to do, and we only do it by working together, by leaning on each other, by pushing back against the politics of fear and division, the old ways that are trying to attack people, forcing false choices. We know that listening to others, respecting each other's, and focused on pulling people together is the only way to build a stronger future for us all. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I need to say thank you. I know in the last election, so many of you stepped up and came out and got involved and made sure that we set this country on a better path, on the right path. And that's exactly what we're going to continue to do. And we're going to do it with your help. We need to send that clear message that the politics of pettiness, of personal attacks, of negativity has no place in Canada. And at the same time, we'll demonstrate right around the world that politics are positive and thoughtful and focused on bringing people together is the only way to build a better world. That's a message that's more important now than it ever has been. And the carriers of that message, as hard as I'm going to work, as hard as my team, as all of us are going to work for you, we can't do it without all of you. It's you, in the conversations you have, in the rolling up your sleeves, in getting out there, in knocking on doors, on spreading the message that being positive and thoughtful and respectful is the only way to get elected, is the only way to govern an extraordinary country like Canada properly. So thank you very much. I'm counting on all of you for your help. Merci beaucoup tout le monde. And happy BC Day long weekend.
नाज़रीन, ये थे जस्टिन ट्रूडो।